these are power cords. These are providing power to these food trailers. They've been getting run over by vehicles, and now you have exposed conductors, exposed wiring that somebody can come in contact with. This is a concern of ours. We're trying to get it addressed with the property owner.
My name is Hyatt Dunn. I work for Development Services Department of the City of Austin. I am the Commercial Electrical Inspection Supervisor. I am in charge of the inspection team that handles all of the electrical inspections for apartments, commercial office buildings. I have a team, they handle the general day-to-day inspections that people schedule, and then I supervise them, support them, make sure they have everything they need. My role is to oversee them and support them and taking care and making sure they do good quality inspections. I also assist the people in permitting if they have questions in regards to like standalone electrical permits. Pretty important for public safety, so that's something I try to initiate with them, is providing electrical knowledge training for other people that work together to help keep the public safe. We look at the just overall electrical system of a building, starting with the electrical service where your power comes into the building from your utility, making sure that it's done properly. That's kind of the first safeguard of the system of your structure, being it a house or an office building, making sure that the wires are sized properly. Ground wire that's used to make sure everything's electrically safe, is it properly connected? Is it the right size wire? Did they strap this pipe right? Is this box secured the way the manufacturer specifies it should be installed? If it's a new building, we've got to inspect stuff in the slab before they pour. You know, there's certain things we need to look at that's all part of that electrical system. As they go along, then we'll get into, did they install the right plug? Did they install the right light switch? Is that light listed or approved for the location they put it in? The systems in the building that you use on a daily basis are wired properly, have the proper safeguards such as GFCI protection for areas where you could encounter water, kitchens, bathrooms, outdoors. For houses and dwelling units, there's arc fault protection, which helps protect from shorts that could come up in your wiring system. Maybe somebody hung a picture and drove a nail through a wire. That can cause a short circuit or an arc in your wire inside your wall. So it could be a fire hazard. So the electrical inspector is looking for all these things as a whole package, making sure it's safe and meets code on the electrical side of it that we handle. Couple of things I'd like the residents of Austin to know. Building inspections is here to make sure that the structures, the office buildings, the houses that are going to be occupied are as safe as we can possibly make them. Now, there's codes and standards that builders and general contractors, trades are supposed to go by. Our job is to be that last line checking to make sure that they're doing it to the proper codes, that it's to code, to plan, and overall is going to be safe for the end user of whatever it is we're inspecting. We're not here to make the job harder. We're just here as a means to make sure that the structure you're going to occupy is as safe as it can possibly be. What motivates me is I'm passionate about the electrical trade. Doesn't always go noticed by the public, but is a very, very important aspect of everybody's day-to-day lives. People use electricity most of the time and don't even think about how it gets to them. There's a lot that's involved with getting that electricity from the utility provider to your outlet in your house. Particular things that have to be done in order to ensure that it's safe for that person using it. And I've always enjoyed taking everything I've learned over the years and putting it to use to make sure that the system that people are using is safe. Coming to work each day and working on making sure these systems are safe for everybody, and working with the team of inspectors that I have, and knowing that we're all have one common goal to, at the end of the day, make sure that everything's safe for these people using this electricity.